In the small village of Pipragad in Bihar, there stood an ancient peepal tree, which the villagers claimed was over 100 years old. Its shade once hosted village councils, served as a schoolyard for children, and rested weary travelers. Living on this venerable tree was a sweet little bird named Gudiya. Each morning, Gudiya would sing a melodious tune that awakened the whole village. She considered the peepal her grandfather, and he cherished her as his granddaughter. One day, an official visited the village, announcing that a government road was to be built, and the peepal tree would have to be cut down. The villagers were saddened, but felt powerless to resist. Hearing this, Gudiya chirped to her peepal grandpa. "Grandpa, we won't let them cut you down." The peepal smiled. "My dear, such is the law of time, but do whatever you can if you wish." Gudiya flew to many villages, rallying other birds to her cause. The next day, when the loggers arrived, the peepal tree was teeming with birds: parrots, mynas, crows, doves, sparrows. The air was filled with their chatter. The village children also protested. They painted slogans on the walls: "Save the tree, save life." Women from the village carried puja thalis and circled around the peepal in reverence. Witnessing the scene, the official paused. He sent a report to his superiors, and a few weeks later a reply came: "Declare the tree a protected area." Joy spread through the village. The peepal was saved. It stands to this day, and every morning Gudiya sings, "Where trees are saved, life thrives."